Hey there, you beautiful lazy genius. Yes, you? The one scrolling through YouTube wondering if there's actually a way to make money online without turning into a caffeine-fueled hustle robot? Well, I've got news for you. It's 2026, and making money online has never been easier for people who'd rather work smarter than harder. Before we get started, check out the link in the description to download our ebook. Check out our Skool community for a step-by-step walkthrough on side hustles. There will be a new side hustle every week. There are currently 10 founding member spots for only $29 or £23. That means lifetime access for less than your weekly coffee spend. I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your laziness into a legitimate income stream. No fake promises, no get-rich-quick schemes, just real methods that actual lazy people are using right now to make money while doing the absolute minimum. So grab your snack, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about why most people fail at making money online. They see all these gurus screaming about grinding 18 hours a day, waking up at 4 a.m., and treating sleep like it's optional. Then they try it for 3 days, burn out, and give up completely. Sound familiar? Here's the thing nobody tells you. Laziness isn't actually your enemy. In fact, lazy people often make the best entrepreneurs because we're motivated to find the most efficient path to results. We're not going to waste time on complicated systems or pointless busy work. We want the shortest distance between effort and money. The real problem isn't laziness. It's that most people are chasing methods that require way too much upfront work, or they're using outdated strategies from 2020 that don't work anymore. But in 2026, we've got AI tools, automation platforms, and passive income streams that literally do the heavy lifting for you. The game has completely changed, and it's finally tilted in favor of the strategically lazy. So if you've been feeling guilty about not wanting to hustle yourself into exhaustion, stop. Your laziness is about to become your superpower. This is probably the easiest money you can make right now. Here's how it works. You use AI tools to create content. Then you sell that content to people who need it. We're talking about AI-generated articles, social media captions, email templates, product descriptions, you name it. You don't need to be a writer. You just need to know how to use ChatGPT, Claude, or any of the other AI tools out there. Someone needs 10 Instagram captions for their small business. Boom, 5 minutes with AI, charge them $30 to $50. A local restaurant needs a new menu description. AI writes it, you polish it slightly, charge $75. People are making anywhere from $500 to $3,000 a month doing this part-time. The key is finding clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even local Facebook groups. Set up a simple profile, offer AI-powered content services, and let the orders roll in. Lazy tip: create templates for common requests, so you're literally just filling in the blanks. Print on demand is the ultimate lazy person's business because you never touch inventory, you never handle shipping, and you barely do any work after the initial setup. Here's the play for 2026. You create designs using AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E. We're talking t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, wall art, whatever. Then you upload these designs to platforms like Printify, Printful, or Redbubble. They handle everything: production, shipping, customer service, all of it. Your only job is uploading designs and occasionally promoting your store. The beauty is you can niche down into something super specific. Funny accountant mugs, yoga instructor t-shirts, dog mom tote bags. The more specific, the easier it is to find your audience. Realistic earnings. Beginners often make $200 to $800 a month once they've got a decent catalog of designs up. The really lazy approach: spend one weekend creating 50 to 100 designs with AI, upload them all, and then just let it run on autopilot. Some people literally make money while they sleep with this method. You don't need to be on camera to make money on YouTube. In fact, some of the most profitable channels in 2026 are completely faceless. These are channels that use AI voiceovers, stock footage, and simple animations. Topics that work great: countdown lists, mystery stories, financial tips, meditation content, nature documentaries, history facts. You use AI to write the script, AI to generate the voiceover, and tools like Canva or InVideo to put together the visuals. Once you hit monetization requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you start earning ad revenue. Plus, you can add affiliate links in your descriptions for extra income. Channels in popular niches are making anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month, and some of the biggest faceless channels are pulling in six figures annually. The lazy strategy? Batch, create content. Spend one day making scripts for 10 videos, another day recording all the voiceovers, then piece them together throughout the week. Upload consistently, and YouTube's algorithm does the rest. This is the ultimate set it and forget it method. You create a digital product once, like an ebook, a template, a preset pack, a course, a checklist, whatever, and then sell it forever with minimal maintenance. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy for digital downloads, or Teachable for courses make this ridiculously easy. The best part, AI can help you create most of these products. Need an ebook about meal planning? AI writes the draft, you organize it, design a cover on Canva, and boom, you're selling a product. Popular digital products in 2026 include Notion templates, resume templates, social media content calendars, budget spreadsheets, and niche guides. Price points range from $5 to $50 typically, and once you've got a few products listed, you can easily make $300 to $2,000 per month passively. The lazy person's approach? Focus on solving one specific problem for one specific type of person. Don't try to appeal to everyone. A highly specific product marketed to the right tiny audience will outsell a generic product every time. Sometimes you just want to make quick cash without building anything long-term, and that's totally fine. There are tons of apps and websites that pay you for doing simple tasks that require almost zero brainpower. Websites like Respondent and User Testing pay you to test websites and apps or participate in research studies. You can make $10 to $150 per test, and most tests take 15 to 30 minutes. Amazon, mTurk, and Clickworker pay for microtasks like data entry, categorization, and surveys. It's not huge money, but it's easy money. Then you've got cashback apps like Rakuten or Fetch Rewards that literally pay you for shopping you'd do anyway. Apps like Honeygain pay you just for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. You install it and forget it exists. Realistically, if you combine a few of these, you can make an extra $200 to $600 a month with minimal effort. It's perfect for lazy people who want money without commitment. Small businesses and entrepreneurs are desperately looking for people to manage their social media, but they can't afford expensive agencies. That's where you come in with your lazy brilliance. You use AI tools to generate content ideas, write captions, create graphics, and even schedule posts automatically. Tools like Buffer, Metrical, or Later let you schedule weeks of content in one sitting. AI tools like ChatGPT give you endless content ideas tailored to any niche. You can charge anywhere from $300 to $1,500 per month per client, depending on how many posts and platforms they need. Manage just 2 or 3 clients, work maybe 5 to 10 hours a week total, and you're making decent money. The lazy hack. Create content batches for all your clients on the same day. Monday is content creation day, and the rest of the week you just monitor comments and engagement for like 20 minutes a day. Affiliate marketing sounds complicated, but it's actually perfect for lazy people in 2026. You recommend products you already use, people buy through your link, and you get a commission. No inventory, no customer service, no complicated setup. The easiest way to do this, start a simple blog, a social media account, or even just post on Reddit and Quora. Review products, create comparison posts, or answer questions, and naturally include your affiliate links. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Impact are great affiliate networks to join. The smartest lazy approach is to focus on evergreen content. Write one really good blog post comparing the best standing desks or reviewing a popular product. Optimize it for search engines, and it can generate affiliate income for years with zero maintenance. People doing this casually make anywhere from $100 to $2,000 per month. The ones who actually put in a tiny bit of consistent effort can scale to $5,000 plus monthly. All right, let's talk about how to maximize your laziness while still making money. First rule, automate everything you possibly can. Use scheduling tools for social media, use email templates for client communication, use AI for content creation. If you're doing the same task more than twice, find a way to automate it or create a template. Second, batch your work. Don't do a little bit every day. That's exhausting and breaks your flow. Instead, Block out a few hours once or twice a week and knock out everything at once. Create all your content, respond to all your messages, whatever, then coast for the rest of the week. Third, focus on 1 or 2 methods maximum. Don't try to do everything I just mentioned. That's not lazy, that's chaotic. Pick the 1 or 2 that sound most appealing and actually do them consistently. A lazy person making $1,000 a month from one method beats a scattered person making nothing from 7 methods. Fourth, use the 80-20 rule. 20% of your effort produces 80% of your results. Figure out what actually makes you money and cut everything else. Stop obsessing over perfect branding or fancy websites. Just do the thing that generates income. Finally, embrace good enough. Perfectionism is the enemy of laziness and profit. Your first product doesn't need to be perfect. Your first video doesn't need Hollywood production. Good enough gets you paid. Perfect keeps you broke and tired. Let's talk about the traps that catch lazy people trying to make money online. Mistake number 1 is waiting for the perfect moment to start. There is no perfect moment. You're never going to feel 100% ready. Start messy and figure it out as you go. Mistake number 2 is falling for get-rich-quick schemes. If someone's promising you'll make $10,000 in your first week with 0 effort, they're lying. These methods I've shared are easy, but they still require some initial setup and consistency. Easy doesn't mean instant. Mistake number 3 is not treating this like real money. Just because it's online doesn't mean it's play money. Track your income, set aside money for taxes if you're in a country that requires it, and actually have a plan for what you're building. Mistake number 4 is giving up too soon. Most people quit right before they would have succeeded. Give any method at least 60 to 90 days before deciding it doesn't work. The first month is always the hardest because you're learning. Month 2 and 3 is where things start clicking. Mistake number 5 is trying to do everything alone. Join communities, ask questions, learn from people who are already doing what you want to do. The fastest way to succeed is to copy someone who's already successful and then add your own lazy twist to it. And finally, don't ignore the basics. If you're selling something, make sure your communication is clear. If you're building an audience, actually provide value. These sound obvious, but you'd be amazed how many people skip fundamentals and wonder why nothing works. All right, here's your homework. And yes, even lazy people need homework, but I'm keeping it simple. Pick one method from this video, just one. The one that made you think, yeah, I could actually do that. And then take one small action on it today. Not tomorrow, today. If it's print on demand, spend 20 minutes creating one design with AI. If it's AI content flipping, set up a basic profile on Fiverr. If it's affiliate marketing, sign up for one affiliate program. Just do one tiny thing to get the ball rolling. And if you want more content like this, more lazy but effective strategies for making money online in 2026, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I make these videos specifically for people who want results without the hustle culture nonsense. No fluff, no hype, just practical methods that actually work. Drop a comment below and tell me which method you're going to try first. I read every comment and I love hearing about your wins, even the small ones. Look, making money online in 2026 doesn't require you to become a different person. You don't need to suddenly develop superhuman discipline or start waking up at dawn or pretend to love the grind. You can be exactly as lazy as you are right now and still build real income streams. The difference between lazy and successful isn't effort, it's strategy. It's choosing methods that work with your personality instead of against it. It's automating the boring stuff and focusing only on what actually pays you. Your laziness isn't a character flaw, it's a feature. It means you're naturally wired to find efficient solutions, to cut through the noise, and to focus on what matters. And in 2026, with all the AI tools and automation platforms available, the world has finally caught up to your wavelength. So stop feeling guilty about not wanting to hustle yourself into exhaustion. Stop comparing yourself to people who pretend to work 80-hour weeks. And definitely stop thinking you're not cut out for making money online. You are. You absolutely are. You just needed someone to show you the lazy person's way to do it, and now you know. So go make some money, enjoy your free time, and remember that working smarter will always beat working harder. I'll see you in the next video. Now go be productively lazy.